you talking to, Black Sapphire Cookie? Are they in the same room with us right now? Why is Shadow Milk Cookie still busy with those good-for-nothings? Huh? Oh, that was cute! But unfortunately for you, only Shadow Milk Cookie decides what's what around here! You fool! Say, if I were to melt you, would I get syrup or jam? Mix and mash and turn it into sticky gooey toffee.
It was easy. I'm a really good swimmer. Excuse me. I will fight for the place where I'm free to live together and exist as me. You got me. Tiny hands. My only weakness. You seem to attract a lot of danger.
Name?
That's a lie. Your middle name is Cutie Pie. Make sure you're a good experience. Nope. Steven! I have to burn this too. Love at first sight doesn't exist. Love takes time and love takes work. Hello, this is Mom Universe. He needs rest. We look awesome.
자, 자신감 있게 가자. 수업 시작할게. 자, 모두 조용. 비켜줄래? 지각할지도 몰라. 지각이야. 내가 선생님인데. 다시 한번 갈까? 힘들면 쉬었다 가자.
My behind's not big. I'm big. Technically, it's to scale. Excuse me, madam. What kind of scone is this? Ooh, tasty. Oh, you just made a big mistake, buddy. Just chase us already! Sabotage the other team. Didn't think of that, did ya, Temple? I can't believe I trusted her. She is such a jerk. I just wanna... You are full of such fraud spit. Super oblivious. This isn't over! You're wrong. I'm not that selfish. Wow. I feel lighter somehow. More free. What do I say? After everything you've done?
I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, I'm not supposed to tell you that part? Biscuits. Well, honesty is the best policy. I also can't seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life. But I'm sure that'll sort itself out. Saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself. Sweet, I'm open to new things. Talking about what? Consider it, repressed. So, obviously a lot of mutual respect there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay? Awesome. My, you sure are rebellious. It's kind of exciting. But not as fun as, following the rules. Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse now, fellas. Ooh, deal me in. I love rummy. You know, not that I can't wait to keep murdering all these, maybe not so actually different from us worker drones, but just out of curiosity, do we actually, know what the company plans to do with us afterwards? Okay, so a worker earlier might have suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to, escape the planet and stuff, which, whoa, hey, that's against the rules! But it is kind of making me question why our pods were only one way in the first place.
Wide open. We're gaping novels. Honestly, Vel's always been my inspiration. Secret? We don't have a secret. Who said we have a secret?
Well, be a good little assistant and go stand in the corner.
Really too much.
Good one.
No, I know we deserve to be famous just because not in like a stunning Victorian way.
I don't want to kill the little guy. They're kind of cute when they're up and about, banging on the walls, yelling to go home.
Girl, we grew up in the suburbs. Our parents were dentists. It's nothing personal. I just love my sister and all my fame and money and things I bought.
No, but I have an idea. We could practice.
Come on. We used to make up little dances together all the time, remember? Hip, hip, twist, flip.
He's dead?
Oh, man. What have we done? What do we do? You mean Sparkles? Okay. Goodbye, little guy. Wow. I thought ghosts just floated away.
How do I take this headset off? What's going on? I put on some weird headset and now I'm here. Who are you people? Why can't I take it off? Where am I? What the f is going on? What? Oh my god. Well, how do I, leave? What? A new home? What do you mean? Oh, okay, now I get it! This is a dream, and I should just play along until I wake up, right? Is that all there is? Wait, what's that? Wait, was that an exit door I saw out there? Is that a way to leave? I swear I saw my name. My name is, oh god! Why can't I remember my name? What's my name?
Please leave it somewhere else. Be careful not to hit anyone with it. Wait, Gonta? I was called upon to lift the country out of a dire situation. I swore to serve and help all its citizens. As the ultimate maid, I have advised politicians many times in the past. He already knew. He forfeited his life right then and there. Ah! I have to escape! I won't die here! I will live! I refuse to die in a hellhole like this! For my nation! For my people! I will survive! I will not die! We should not worry about our procedure, especially since this is not a normal trial. Each of us will be serving as a potential culprit, lawyer, prosecutor, and jury member. Let us proceed with that in mind, shall we? Then let us start by reviewing the incident. You are correct. The possibility of him being the mastermind is quite low. Getting back on topic, we now have alibis for the people in the dining hall. Please just tell us what happened. But why did you lock the door? Gonta, please understand that in order to reveal the truth, you must also participate. No, we cannot confirm that just yet. My apologies, Gonta. I do not mean to put you on the spot like this, but because I promised to do my best, I will fulfill that responsibility.
Copy. Any sign of Rojas' right-hand man? Roger that! He's gonna get away!
Command, ready for dust-off. Send the chopper. Coordinates to fire. Bollocks! The skies are clear. Send the chopper now! Command's got their head up their ass. We're on our own.
Roger, I'm on my way.
He went into the alley!
Be advised, I'm about half a kilometre to the market. I can see Rojas running across the rooftop on my right side. Sir, I've got Rojas in my sights. I can go for a clean leg shot. We can end it here. Bollocks! Roger that! Roach! Don't let the militia pin you down for too long. Use your flashbangs on them. I'm up to him. He's trying to double back through the alleys below. He's got the fence. I'm after him. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's not.
Sir, the militia's closing in. Almost 200 of them, front and back. What about Rojas? Works for me. Let's do this!
Roach, we can see them from the chopper. They're coming for you, dozens of them.
Left! 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 In those wooden shacks! RPGs on the rooftop to the south! Bloody hell, there's a lot of them! Militia coming out of the shack on the left! Contact! Foot mobiles on the rooftops, closing in fast from the south! Tango's at ground level, dead ahead! More skinnies on the rooftop at 12 o'clock! They're moving on that left flank! Technical coming in from the south!
Safe house, we need to protect the transfer. Roach, where the hell are you? Fall back to the house, move! Roach, pull back to the safe house. They're trying to stop the transfer. There's too many of them in here. Roach, we've lost the DSM.